Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I am going to show you how to enable auto join Wi-Fi on iPhone. So first what you want to do is go up to your control center right here by swiping down at the top right of your screen, then tap and hold on the Wi-Fi icon. Once you're there, you will see this option, then tap and hold again to the Wi-Fi icon, and then this will pop up, and just go to Wi-Fi settings. And here you will see a list of your settings. Just tap on the Wi-Fi that you are using. Once you're here, you will see an auto join option. So just tap on the switch button to enable it or disable it. So let's say I want to disable it. Just tap on it and it will automatically be disabled. And if you want to enable it again, just tap on that switch button. That's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.